Hello students, good morning. How are you my dears? Class 9th and your topic has been changed. I taught you voice in previous class, but today we are going to study a new topic, that is models. Okay dear students, models, and we will study here. There are 13 models in English. My dear students, there are 24 helping verbs, auxiliary verb and modal auxiliaries. The words which express moods called models. The words which express moods called models. I will talk to you a little in Hindi. प्यारे बच्चों, ऐसे शब्द जो मनोभावनाओं को, मन की भावनाओं को बताते हैं, जिक्र करते हैं, क्या कहलाते हैं? मॉडल्स कहलाते हैं. तो हम यहाँ देखते हैं कौन कौन सी मॉडल्स होती हैं. मॉडल auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? There are 13 modal auxiliaries. We will take them: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to and must. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are 10 modal auxiliaries, my dears. And next is marginal verbs. Marginal verbs are used to need and dare, need not or dare not. Okay, these three are marginal verbs, and total these models are 13. These models are 13. Okay students, modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must. Dear students, I will talk a little in Hindi. थोड़ा हिंदी में समझिए. ये मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज हैं, 10 होती हैं, 3 मार्जिनल हैं, टोटल मॉडल्स कहलाती हैं 13. 11 आपकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती हैं, इज आर एम वॉज वर हैज हैव हैड डू डज डिड. 13 आपकी मॉडल्स हैं. ये टोटल कितनी होती हैं? 24 होती हैं. नॉन एज 24 ब्रदर्स, 24 भाई इनको कहते हैं. इज आर एम वॉज वर हैज हैव हैड डू डज डिड कैन कुड शैल शुड विल वुड मे माइट मस्ट ought टू यूज टू डेयर और नीड. कितनी हो गई? ये 24 हो गई. तो इन 24 का हम अध्ययन करेंगे यहाँ. लेकिन अपना टॉपिक कौन सा है? मॉडल्स. तो मॉडल्स में 24 नहीं आती हैं, केवल कितनी आती हैं? 13 आती हैं. तो 13 मॉडल्स का यहाँ हम अध्ययन करेंगे. ओके बच्चों, तो सबसे पहले यूज ऑफ कैन, ये फर्स्ट है आपका. पहला है यूज ऑफ कैन. कैन का उपयोग पढ़ेंगे. प्यारे बच्चों, हमें ये मॉडल्स हैं, इनमें मूड्स को पढ़ना है. मनोभावों को पढ़ना है कि 4, 5, 6, 7 कितने ही मूड होते हैं, उनको अकेला कैन प्रदर्शित करता है। जैसे कि किसी में ताकत है, कोई सक्षम है, कोई योग्य है, कोई अनुमति दे रहा है, कोई अनुमति ले रहा है, उन सब के लिए एक ही मॉडल काम कर रहा है और वो कौन सा है? कैन। तो हम यहाँ मूड्स को पढ़ेंगे और फिर उनके उदाहरण यहाँ अपन देखेंगे। ओके, तो यहाँ मूड्स कौन कौन से हैं उनको यहाँ देखते हैं। देखिए कैन किस किस को प्रकट करता है? पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, अलाउ, परमिशन, पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, अलाउ, परमिशन, एबल, एबिलिटी, पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, अलाउ, परमिशन, एबल, ability. These are the moods and only one model can expresses these moods. So here we will study these models and we will take some examples. Examples are, my dears, first is ability. To show the ability here, I can speak English very well. It shows able, means ability, and it can show capacity also. CAPACITY. You can write here CAPACITY, capacity also, or capable, capacity, capable. These are the moods: power, strength, allow, permission, able, ability, capacity, capable, general possibility, puzzlement, general possibility, puzzlement. These words means moods and only one model can shows these all moods. And first example here is, I can speak English. In this sentence only the model can expresses the ability of me, dear students, ability of my English speaking. But my dear students, here the sentence can be, I am able to speak English. Sentence can be, I am able to speak English. You will change this sentence and you will speak, I can speak English. Second, he run fast, means power, 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 power. So my dear students, he run fast, power. Here we will use can, means it shows my strength, my power. I have the power to run fast. I have the power to run fast. Okay, dear students. Next, second model is could. Second model is could. COULD. COULD, could is the second model. Use of could. My dear students, could is the past form of can. So here we will study could model, and you have to write could is used to express the same moods. Could is used to express the same moods. Could X is used to express the same moods which are used in can, but in past tense, we use could. Next we will talk in past tense. We use could model, but to express polite request also, and imagination. We use could also in present tense. For imagination and polite request, we can use WOULD board. WOULD board. I blank lift 100 kg weight when I was young. My dear students, this shows strength. This shows strength, and to show the strength, we always use can model. We always use can model, but you have to look at the blackboard. The sentence belongs to past tense, so we will not use can. We will use could. COULD. I could lift 100 kg weight when I was young means this sentence shows that the action has been completed in past tense, not now. He is talking about past tense. Okay, dear students, here your class has been completed and 2 models also has been completed. In next class, we will study next models. You have to copy the sentences from the blackboard, and with these words, I finish my class. I wish you a bright future. Be happy, be healthy, my dear students. Thank you.